guess you know because you saw my contact name. Well, I just wanted to tell you the doctor called and they want me to go back in for some more testing. I really don't get it. I thought I was getting better. I feel fine, but yeah, I'm exhausted, so I'm gonna go lay down. Call me back. Bye.
Hey, I got this for you.
Thank you.
Still don't understand how you can drink that, even when it's this cold outside.
I'm anemic, so I'm always cold.
You should have gotten that checked out.
I'll be fine.
You don't know that for sure, though. Are you cold?
Do you hear that?
No. Do you remember the night we met?
It was a few years back, and you know how things lately have been coming a blur to me. I'm sorry. Hey, can you try to remind me?
You just looked so beautiful that night.
What about now?
You're even more so.
There it is again, the noise.
Don't let it get to you. Let's just enjoy being here together.
It's kind of distracting.
Just fight the urge.
Don't say it like that, you weirdo.
I love you. No, not yet. What about law school? You were gonna be a lawyer. I never got the chance to propose because I was too scared. We're gonna have 2 kids. A boy named Steven after my father. And a girl named Olivia. Because you loved One Direction. What about Paris? You're never gonna see the Eiffel Tower at night. I love you.
Please let me go.
Sir. You had to let go.
Time?
10:34.
Hey. Do you know the time?
It's 10:34.
My name is James, by the way.
Monday.
That's a beautiful name.
Thanks, I got it for my birthday.
Haha, so funny. Now, do you hear that?